Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. My name is Alan. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can clean a shower head, whether it's dirty, has a lot of buildup, maybe not all the holes are working, or whatever it might look like. I want to show you guys a quick and easy way that you can clean your shower head. So let's go ahead and dive in.
First, you will remove the shower head and let it soak in vinegar for a few hours. The longer the better. And for this example, I took the shower head off, but I've also seen people put the shower head in vinegar while it stays connected to the wall. Next, you can clean the shower head with water and a brush to get off any extra buildup. You can also use more vinegar here if needed. Now all you have to do is put it back on and test it out.
Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. Also, let me know in the comments if this was helpful or if you have any questions. Love to help you out with those as well. Check out one of these other videos that are popped up here in your end screen, but I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.